Alright, this is an older yard machine, MTD. It's got a 14.5 horse Briggs & Stratton overhead valve motor, single cylinder, 38-inch deck, and shift on the go transmission system. If you're not familiar with the shift on the go, it's just has a rear end with a forward and reverse gear, and it just has a compound pulley system that changes the ratios going into that transmission. So basically what I'm saying is you can go as fast forward as backwards. It's kind of nice sometimes. It zips around pretty good. Tires hold air, new inner tubes in both rear tires. Front tires are holding air after the winter. Blades are good on the deck. Really good, actually. No nicks or anything in them. Steering's pretty good. I don't think there's any play in it. Yeah, just a tiny bit. This must not be the original motor, because the original motor was a 12.5 in this chassis. I did change the oil on this one. Pretty darn clean, brand new. New fuel lines, fuel filter, fuel shutoff valve. I cleaned the carb, put a new fuel shutoff valve on the carburetor, because there's an electric one on the carburetor, and obviously I put the mechanical one on. I'm trying to think if there's anything else on this one. Just mainly was getting it going for the year. Been sitting all winter. Air filter was used, but the other one was completely shot, so put a new one on. I was trying to think. Belts are good. I looked at those when I was under there. Yeah, started up. Battery, I did put this one in this season. It's from 22. Still turns over good. Back it up. Shift on the go system. Got out on the pedal, go faster. Pretty simple. Just mowed most of my lawn with this thing. Did pretty good. We probably pulled out about an acre of mowing out of it. Deck's nice and quiet, it's got good lift, all that. Full speed, about that fast. Pretty good. Yard machines have always been really good with the speed. Having a shift on the go system, they're one of the faster mowers. To it. Pretty simple rigs. I actually really like these chassis. They're just so simple. You know, like a lot of mowers, you have idler pulleys, you have all this other stuff that can go bad. This one, the deck has no idler pulleys, and the drive system has no idler pulleys. It's just a shift on the go compound pulley. So there's really only one thing to go bad, and that's belts. And very rarely do those compound pulleys go bad. They do, but it's very, very, very rare. I think I've only had one or two out of how many mowers. But yeah, not too bad. Doesn't seem to smoke. It did when I first fired it up, but it's been sitting a very, very long time. If you have any questions, throw them comments. Otherwise, have a good one.